Tired of spam and scam links flooding your Discord DMs? Learn how to filter them out in under 2 minutes. I'll show you exactly where to find the spam filter settings and explain each option so you can choose the best one for your needs. First, go ahead and open up Discord. Then, in the bottom left corner, click on the gear icon to open your user settings. Now, from the Settings menu, click on Content and Social. Scroll down until you find the Direct Message Spam section. Here, you can click Filter All. This scans every single DM, even from friends. Alternatively, choose Filter from Non-Friends to only scan messages from people not on your friends list. Or select Do Not Filter to turn off spam analysis entirely. Pick whichever option you prefer. For example, Filter All Direct Messages scans both friends and non-friends. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.